Hello dear friends, I am Avdesh Pratap Patel and I welcome to all of you in another video on the history of Chhattisgarh. Today in this video we are going to cover the Mauryan era, the Satavahan era, the Kushan era and an era ruled by Megh dynasty. So without any further delay, let's start with the Mauryan era. Well, the period between 322 BC to 184 AD is known as the Mauryan era because this is the time period which was dominated by the activities of the Mauryan dynasty. Well, now the question arises that what kind of relations the Mauryans had with Chhattisgarh? Well, actually, Chhattisgarh was a part of the empire of Kalinga, and Ashoka conquered the empire of Kalinga, and in this way, Chhattisgarh became a part of the Mauryan empire. Now, if you talk about the places related with Mauryan empire, Jogimara caves located in Ramgarh hills is very important as a Mauryan era story, the love story of Devadatta and Sutmuka has been found here. This whole story has been inscribed in Pali language and Brahmi script. So this is a very important fact. Okay, the story of Devadatta and Sutmuka belongs to the Mauryan era and it has been inscribed in Pali language and Brahmi script. Okay, the cave where this story is inscribed is the Jogimara caves located in Ramgarh hills in today's Sarguja district. Now, Ramgarh Hills is a very important site not only for the Jogimara caves, it is a very important site because Bharat Muni, who was a Mauryan era scholar, actually wrote his famous treatise that is called Natya Shastra in 200 BC at Ramgarh Hills. So Ramgarh Hills is not only important from the point of view of Jogimara caves, it is also important because Bharat Muni composed his epic treatise that is called Natya Shastra in 200 BC here. Now, if we talk about the travelogue of Xuanzang, the famous Chinese traveler, according to his travelogue, Ashoka had constructed a stupa at Sirpur. Now, that is why Sirpur is considered as the center of Buddhist activities. So, in Mauryan era, Ashoka constructed a stupa at Sirpur according to the travelogue of Xuanzang. Now, that is why Sirpur is considered as the center of Buddhist activities in Chhattisgarh. Now, if we talk about the Mauryan era coins, if we talk about the numismatic sources, when I say numismatic sources, I'm talking about the sources of coins. When we try to get some information of history from the coins, then the coins are referred as numismatic sources. So when we talk about numismatic sources, okay, the coins of Ashoka have been found in three prominent places. Okay, one is Akaltara, another is Thatari. Akaltara and Thatari, both the places are located in Janjgir Chapa district, and another one is Bar. Bar is another village which is located in Raigarh district. So the Mauryan era coins have been found from the three main places. Okay, the places are Akaltara and Thatari in Janjgir Chapa district and Bar village in Raigarh district. Now, there were some special coins prevalent in the Mauryan era. Those were called the punch marked coins. So the punch marked coins have been found from two places. Those two places are Tarapur and Udela. So Tarapur and Udela are those two places from where the punch marked coins of the Mauryan era have been recovered, and these places are located in today's Raipur district. So this is all about the Mauryan era. Now, Mauryan era was followed by the Satavahan era. Now, Satavahan era means an era between 72 to 200 AD. Now, who were the Satvahans? Actually, Satvahanas or the Satvahans were the Brahmin rulers. Okay, and they were the contemporary to the king of Kalinga, who was very famous and was known as Kharvela. So actually, the Satvahan rulers were contemporary to the famous ruler of Kalinga known as Kharvela, and they were the Brahmin rulers. Okay, their capital was at Pratishthan. Okay, which is correlated with today's Patan in Maharashtra. So actually their capital was at Pratishthan, which is correlated with Patan in Maharashtra today. And there was a famous Satvahana king whose name was Apilak. And Apilak's coins have been found in two places. One is Balpur, which was earlier located in Janjgir Chapa district, but today, because Janjgir Chapa district has been bifurcated and one part has been called Sakti. Okay, so Balpur village is under the Sakti district. So there was a famous king Apilak. Okay, and Apilak's coins have been found from two places. One is Balpur in Sakti district, and another is Malhar in Bilaspur district. So Apilak's coins have been found from two places. One is Balpur, which is located in Sakti district, and another is Malhar, located in Bilaspur district. Okay. Now, Satvahans also had trade relations with the Roman empires. Okay. So the Roman coins of Satavahan era has been recovered from a place called Chakarbeda. Today it is known as Chakarbhata and it is nearby Bilaspur, almost 10 to 12 kilometers from Bilaspur. So Roman coins of Satavahan era, okay, have been recovered from a place called Chakarbeda, okay, which is today known as Chakarbhata and it is located nearby Bilaspur. It falls under Bilaspur district. Now, some other rectangular coins have also been recovered belonging to the Satavahan era. Now, what are the specialities of these rectangular coins? Well, there are inscription of elephants, lady, and cobra in these rectangular coins. So there are rectangular coins on which the inscriptions of elephant, lady, and cobra have been found, and these rectangular coins, these rectangular coins belong to the Satavahan era. Now, a very famous rock edict belonging to the Satavahan era, okay, has been recovered from Gunji. Gunji is a place in Sakti nearby Damodara. Okay, it's a very famous place. So here Gunji rock edict of Satavahan era has been found, and in that rock edict there is a mention of Kumara Dattashri, who was considered a very influential Satavahan ruler. So Gunji rock edict has been found or recovered from Sakti, and Kumara Dattashri has been mentioned as a very influential Satavahan ruler there. Now, a wooden pillar has also been recovered which belonged to the Satavahan era. This wooden pillar has been recovered from a village called Kirari. Earlier, this place fell under the district of Janjgir Champa, but after the bifurcation, now it falls under Sakti district. So, a wooden pillar, a wooden Satavahan era pillar has been found in 1921 in today's Sakti district and Kirari village. Okay, and right now this wooden pillar has been kept at Guru Ghanshidas Museum, Raipur. So this is all about Satavahan era. Now let's move to Kushan era. Basically, Kushans are considered as invaders from the northwestern India. Okay, so there are not much description about the Kushans in Chhattisgarh. Not many evidences have been found about them except two coins. So Kushan era gold coins have been found in a village called Telikot, and today this Telikot village falls under Raigad district. And similarly, some silver coins have also been recovered from Bilaspur. So Kushan era gold coins have been recovered from Telikot Raigad, and silver coins have been recovered from Bilaspur. Now there is another dynasty, Megh dynasty. Okay, nothing much is known about the Megh dynasty. Okay, basically we just know the names of two kings. One is called Shiva Megh, another is called Yamegh. So about Megh dynasty, we know only the names of two kings. Okay, the kings' name are Shiva Megh and Yamegh. So this is all about Megh dynasty. So in this way, we have briefly covered the Mauryan era, Satavahan era, Kushan era, and Megh dynasty. Okay, and this is all you need to know. Okay, so thank you for being with me in this video. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.